Before laying pipe, familiarize yourself with the pipe layout drawing. Pipe coils can be of different lengths, so it is important to identify the coil required for the loop you are going to run. The flow and return ends of the pipe loop are identified with a blue and red circle. Make sure all pipe channels are prepared and clear from debris, and choose a pipe loop to begin. Always start laying pipe at the manifold's location, allowing a bit extra to be cut later when connecting to the manifold. If you do not have a pipe decoiler, the pipe can be installed by two people. The first walks with the pipe coil and reels it out, while the second person carefully walks along the pipe, pushing the pipe down into the straight pipe channel. When you reach the end of a straight run, employ the technique of rotating the whole coil through 180 degrees towards the direction of the return channel. Lay the pipe around corners by gently forming and pushing the pipe into the channel as it works around the bend. If the pipe does push out of a channel, it can be carefully tapped down using a wooden batten across the board with a hammer and some aluminium tape to secure it in place. Once the pipe loop has been laid into the boards, ensure each end of the pipe loop is labeled with a permanent marker as flow or return along with the relevant loop number. This will ensure the pipe is connected to the correct ports on the manifold at a later stage. For further help and advice, head over to wundagroup.com/support for more videos, instructions, and frequently asked questions to assist with all aspects of your installation.